Looking at the dollar yen, last week's prediction was new trend to the upside, looking for price to hit weekly supply zones, looking for price to continue on up. All right, so the weekly supply zone is at 117 up there, as you guys can see, 117.70 right there. We've found really good demand down here at the 102 level, accelerated by the elections. This thing just popped on off to the upside here, and this week we are looking for price to continue into this weekly supply zone, and it doesn't look like it's made it there yet. It still looks like we're in a confirmed uptrend still, but it's slowed down a little bit this week. So as we move into the daily time frame, as I look at this price action going back and forth and back and forth, we find that we're stuttering along a really good area of resistance here. We were talking about this 114 level last week, and we've just been really consolidating right around in this area here. Okay, so I'm thinking that this area could easily turn into new support. Okay, so we could see a flip-flop of resistance becoming support here and pushing again to the upside into the 117 level. But again, our trend is to the upside and trending. There's no reason to be looking for the counter trend to the short as of right now. It hasn't confirmed it in any shape or form. I'm just going to continue to look to the upside. So buy low, sell high, do what you oughta. As we come down into the lower time frames here for the 4-hour and 60-minute time frames, we're just going to be looking at the 60-minute time frame here. You can see that we found some support down here at the 112 level, and we've really put ourselves into the middle of a range. Okay, so as we look at just the two basic zones, we are in the middle of a range, kind of bouncing back and forth here along the way from 114 pretty much down to 112. Looking for us to break to the upside in that overall direction of trend. Maybe looking at the 113.46 is a good buying opportunity. That is a lot of ground for it to cover though. I'm just going to say, like, that's a lot of ground. I'm looking more so probably for this to happen where we pop the top up there and then come right back down into this area where resistance is now forming new supports, and then buy it out of this area. Okay, so a level that hasn't even been formed yet is really what I'm kind of looking for to have happen this week. Yes, it's been a very consolidated week, but looking for that up move to continue. Looking over here at the Aussie yen, trend is up, and looking long, buy low, sell high. This is the second week in a row that this has been going on. All right, so as we look at the big weekly picture, you can see that we're just below weekly demand here at 86.21, or excuse me, weekly supply here at 86.21. So the supply zone here at 86.21 hasn't been reached yet, but we are really pushing up into that level. Over here on the daily time frame, you can see price is slowly creeping into it. We've really gotten into a lot of consolidation in here, and this may just be seasonality, but coming into the end of the year, markets may be slowing down a little bit. We might be seeing a lot more consolidation as we're getting into the Christmas season here in the Forex realm. So just be mindful of the seasonality of markets. Make sure you're pushing more of the extremes of price action and not just thinking around here in the middle. Over here on the 60-minute time frame, it really shows us a good example of just how choppy this thing has truly been. We're looking at a lot of really tight consolidation, not only just for this past week, but really for the past 2 weeks. It's just been super duper consolidated, and we are making new highs, but it's just going super duper slow. So we just have to wait patiently on this thing and see if we can't get another push up here into the 86.24 level, which is that nice big 60-minute level. We are down here relatively low right now, and looking for the right price action to confirm our overall trend direction to the upside here.